Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to find the version of the PostgreSQL server installed on Windows or Linux operating systems by using different methods. Okay, first connect to PostgreSQL. So first command is show server underscore version. See, I have installed PostgreSQL server 18.1. Another command is select version. See, I got the same. Okay, next method is just type show server version underscore num. See here 18 is the major version and 1 is the minor version. Okay, the other method in Windows operating systems are go to install directory, C drive, program files, then go to PostgreSQL folder, then select the version, then select the bin, then right click on this Postgres, then properties, then details. See here product version is 18.1. okay, this is the way to find the version of the PostgreSQL server installed on Windows or Linux operating systems, but the last method is for only Windows. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to find the version of the PostgreSQL server installed on Windows or Linux operating systems by using different methods. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.